Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust date and time settings on HISENSE Smart TV. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, scroll down to the system and enter time. Here you might need to enter your PIN, and then we can change our time format between 12 hours and 24 hours clock. Then there's date and time, and here you can disable auto synchronization to adjust the date and time manually, but I recommend to keep it enabled since you might encounter some network problems when disabling it. Here we have a time zone that we can switch if it detects any other, and daylight saving mode that we can synchronize from the TV, enable or disable it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.